So you can turn them on the fat, yeah, put the other pan on, get another 4 on there.
Yeah.
Yeah? And then propose to your girlfriend.
Hey!
Lois.
Yes, Joe?
You'd like to see your son married, wouldn't you?
I would, as long as he's happy with her, then that's fine by me.
Give over, Matt.
Why do you think he's waited so long? Is he scared? You're celebrating 40 years this year. The perfect recipe. Excuse me.
Boring, isn't it? Boring.
He'll be going out with him 40 years before he proposes to her. Matt.
Pepper.
Good colour. Keep on turning around. It cools the pan down so it doesn't get too hot for you. Where's the sauce? Ron, we've got to start working together as a team again, guys, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Yeah. Take that and pour it on there for yourself. There you go. Very nice. Yeah, this one here, the last one. Yeah, very nice. Well done. First table, table 9, please. OK?
Yes, chef.
Good.
Grab those,
I'm going to talk to some customers.
Those stuff done.
Sorry, How nervous were you watching your son in the World Cup?
Oh, I can't tell you.
Where were you for the final?
There.
We were there.
You were there?
On the pitch?
Oh, yeah.
On the pitch at the end, yeah, fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh,
And in the dying seconds as well.
Duck there. Another cherry
Look,
there.
just more, a few more cherries in the bottom there.
Yeah.
Matt, are your hands shaking?
Okay.
A little bit.
You can win a Rugby World Cup, but you're panicking putting one duck breast on a plate.
No panic.
Last table. They are beautifully cooked, yeah?
Are they good?
Really well done, yeah? Ron, really well done.
This one, Lois.
Yeah.
Now,
Matt, I can see where your cooking skills came from, yeah? And don't forget, we like the duck breast slightly pink, so when the sauce goes on top, we've finished cooking it, yes?
Yeah.
We don't serve the duck breast medium. Right, Ron, you happy with those?
yes, chef.
Yeah, very, very good indeed. Last table. Quick, Lois. Ron, well done.
Thank you, chef.
Sauce?
Hold on, Jojo.
Yeah, sauce is on.
Well done.
I haven't had those combinations before. The pak choy worked beautifully with it, really crispy. The duck was really tender, beautiful dish.
Now, how was the duck?
Awesome. Really good. Yeah, really enjoyed it.
Something you could try at home?
I reckon so, yeah.
Yeah?
I thought the sauce might have been a little bit thin, but other than that, it was wicked. Really good.
Right.
Good veg.
Are you trying to show off your chest hair, or you forgot your shirt?
It's actually stitched into the T-shirt.
What, the hair?
I'm not.
The hair?
I'm bare as a baby.
Do you like his hairy chest?
It's all right.
That means no. Yeah. Good to see you. Save room for dessert, yes?
Well done.
Nice to see you.
Nice to meet you very much. Cheers, mate.
The duck is really succulent. The Madeira sauce wasn't too overpowering, and the cherries really added something to the flavour. It was just absolutely delicious.
Felt amazing to be part of a kitchen cooking for actual people.
You're just on the go all the time, and also you're thinking about it too, you know, where you go to do this, that and the other.
We are here to have an unbelievably good time. We also want to win.
Right, result from main course. Jose, let's go.
I think it'd be tough.
Right, the number of guests that are going to pay for their main course is 39 out of 50. Oh. That's good.
Not bad.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
So, 11 not paying. What are the reasons?
The sauce too watery.
Anything else? Sauce too thin.
Under seasons.
Under seasons.
Under seasons.
OK.